Hey friends, in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can use authorizer with a new serverless PostgreSDB that's called NeonDB, and it comes with a lot of great features like generous retire, and it has auto scaling, branching, and a lot more. It's a really cool technology on top of Postgres that you can branch your database and fork it and make copies of it easily. So I see a lot of great things, but let's say when you are using NeonDB and want to have auth layer, you can consider using authorizer because authorizer comes with great support for Postgres. So what I've done is I've created an instance on NeonDB and I can just copy this connection string. I'm spinning up an authorizer instance using Docker. So this is the latest image that we have, and this is the connection string. Database type is Postgres. So once I just run this Docker compose file, it starts on local host 8080. Right, so this is something that's started for me, and I get all the features out of the box, like user management, webhooks, email templates, role-based access, session management, and also authorizer comes with great features and SDK. So you have React SDK, Vue SDK, Svelte SDK, Angular SDK. In case if you want to authorize your APIs, you have all the SDKs for backend. Right now we have JavaScript and Go, but you can definitely go ahead and use the API playground for any of the languages as well. So yeah, do check it, and super happy and super excited to share that now we have complete support for NeonDB. Thank you.